Ready Seal is a stain and a sealer for exterior wood. It goes on any type of exterior wood. Fences, decks, gazebos, pergolas, arbors, log cabins, barns, you name it. A lot of people out there, our customers, love our product. Why? Because of the ease of application. Very simple, easy to use. Another fantastic way to apply Ready Seal is you can use a pump-up sprayer. Why? Because it's cost-effective and it's still easy to use for the homeowners. It's going to run down, it's going to self-level, and it's going to blend in perfectly. Whenever I get a typical question is what's the fastest way and easiest way, I always steer them to the pump-up sprayer. Another huge advantage versus the roller with using a pump-up sprayer is that you can get these hard to reach areas. A pump-up sprayer is an easy, fast option that can handle just about any size project around the house. For more information, go to ReadySeal.com.